This video will show you how to install your new dimmer smart plug using step-by-step instructions. Remember, if you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. Before you begin, ensure you have the correct plug for this installation. The bottom of the plug-in dimmer module will have a 2-pronged plug-in. The appliance module will have 3 prongs. The dimmer smart plug should be used with a dimmable light bulb. Do not use a smart light bulb. It's important to note that this device will not work if it's connected to an existing dimmer switch circuit wired in your home. Remember that if the outlet is controlled by a wired switch, the smart plug will lose connectivity when the switch is turned off. It's recommended to use the smart plug on an unswitched outlet. To connect the dimmer smart plug, log into your TELUS Smart Home app. Click on the menu button on the top left corner. Select Add Device. Choose Lighting and Appliance Control. Select the Go Control plugin for lamps with nightlight. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your setup. Trigger the smart plug by pressing the button on the device twice. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your dimmer smart plug. The lamp can be toggled on and off and have brightness adjusted remotely via the TELUS Smart Home app.